Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 14th till 20th of September. Okay, and we'll see what are the tarot messages for you in the coming week. So what is there for my Geminis in the week of 14th till 20th of September? Let's see. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's get started with my Geminis for the coming week from 14th till 20th of September. 3 shuffles. One more. Okay. So let's see. So right now, your current situation, your general atmosphere around you is 7 of Wands. So this is someone who is defending himself or herself. It's not about the genitalia. So this is someone who is actually fighting for himself. When things do not go the way you actually want them to go, this is something like that. You are trying to resist people, you are trying to win you are trying to make other people understand your situation, and it's like they are saying no to that thing, but still you are standing still and you're fighting for your things, whatever you want. So what's the issue over here then? Why is the obstacle? What's the Hermit? Okay, so it's about, when this is the obstacle, this is something which you are actually resisting. So this is the problem. The situation is 7 of Wands with the Hermit as the obstacle right now. This is someone who is, you're resisting this change because you are not ready to actually understand the other person's perspective as well. With the Hermit in the issue over here, I would say with the conflict over here, this is like, this is, you are actually preventing your self development. This is that card where you are not ready to listen to anyone around you. You are more in a situation to tell people how you feel, rather than actually also also listening to other people's problem. So this is that thing, you are resisting this thing. You are not ready to listen other people. You have, because of you're saying always, I want this, I want that. You're missing that what other people also want you to say, also want you to listen. They want to tell you something, but you are resisting that thing. You are not understanding their perspective. You are not listening to anyone right now. This is someone who is actually, this Hermit, this might be someone who is very mature, might be elder to you, but this person really knows a lot. If you have this kind of a person around you, do listen to him or her. So this is something which you're resisting. You are being in a very stubborn, I would say. This is a very stubborn energy which is coming in your reading. Let's see what is the foundation. King of Pentacles. I just talked about stubborn, and see who's here. King of Pentacles, the father of stubbornness. All right, so this is the foundation of the situation which you don't want to look at. You don't want to look at the situation because you don't want to. With the King of Pentacles over here, the whole situation, this might be a father for some of you, who is looking very strict, who is saying no. So you are behaving like a small kid who is actually resisting, when your father or your parents tell you that no, you cannot go over there, you cannot eat this might infect you might injure yourself, your stomach will be infected or something like that. They always tell us what is important. So this is, you are not listening to someone, or this might be a mature person around you who is trying to tell you some kind of truths of life, but you are, no, you are in that zone where no, it's my way or highway right now, so you don't tell me what to do, I will tell you what to do. So you are in that state right now. What's your past? Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so a lot of mature, a lot of, so you know what, this reading is like, you were mature, you always there was a time you used to take decisions by yourself, and that too very good decisions, because with the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles in your past energy as well, it's about people around you and you as well. So people around you were also very mature, were also very determined, calm, and you always wanted this kind of a maturity in people as well. So you always had that thing which I am seeing, but is it you or is it someone else who is like, you are, the energy is very much changing right now. Let's see what's in your mind. Six of Pentacles. So this is, you are aware of, this is your aim. Your aim is the Six of Pentacles. You want some kind of love, I'm seeing over here, love, or this is something where you really want balance in life. You have seen a lot of struggles in life, a lot of hurdles in life, and right now what you're aware of, all you want is balance, all you want is peace, harmony. This is what you want. You want that if I give love to someone, I want the same love to come back. Whatever you are giving to people, you want the same thing to return. So that is why, it's like, now I don't want to listen to anyone. It's been a long time. I have been really good before, but not right now, not anymore. What's in the future? Knight of Cups. So this is something which is actually, this is a change which is coming up in your life in the future. So yes, this is a very beautiful, this is slow, but it's not very slow. Okay, so this change which you actually want in your life to happen, it is coming towards you. If this is a person, you are manifesting someone from your past, so this person is coming as well for some of you. How you see yourself? You see yourself as the Ten of Swords. Why, Geminis? What happened? You see yourself as, I'm finished. You have become very negative. I don't know why, but when you just go into deep depression, when you just want to settle everything and everything is a mess right now, and your life is actually looking like a mess, but it's not going to be for every time, for whole of your life. No, for a time, for a particular time, our life becomes a mess sometimes, but not every time. So you have actually, this is how you see yourself. You see yourself as the person who betrays people. You are seeing yourself as a negative person. If you yourself are saying that you are negative, so how can people will say you are positive? So start manifesting the good stuff, then only the good stuff will actually happen to you. Okay, so do not be like this. I don't want you to be like this. No, not at all. You are not this. You are Geminis. Geminis are, they're the lovers. Come on, what is happening, Geminis? How people see you? Nine of Swords and a Ten of Swords. Okay, so a lot of Swords energy. So people see you as a very depressed person as well. So people see you that this person always cries. Why are you being a Cancer? Geminis, this is the work of a Cancer, always crying and feeling guilty. So people know that you are guilty. Somebody, if you are really trying to show someone that you are guilty, you are sad about something, people know that. If it is the thing, if you have done something wrong, so I think you are accepting that thing at least. This is really good in you. If you have, accepting is really really hard, and if you are accepting that you have done wrong yourself, then it's really good, and people are actually looking towards that thing as well. So your fears regarding this situation, the Star. So this is more than a fear, it's like a lesson learned. So this is a hope, this is a new hope in your life. With the Star, I'm also getting that you are trying to hope for a good future. So this thing which has actually ended in your life, if it was a bad thing, because it is looking so you are actually thinking really positive now. With the Star card, you are manifesting good things, you really want good things to happen now, and that is why, see, the Star card, your hopes are also really high now. So the final outcome is the Eight of Cups. So with the Knight of Cups in the future and the final outcome as the Eight of Cups over here, so this is that result of the path which you will take, the what you will gain from this experience. You will gain that sometimes walking away from a situation, it helps. You do not have to be staying at the same position forever. That let's walk away, let's move on, because this is cups is water is flowy in nature. So you are actually becoming flowy, you are moving on. So this is what is actually, see, after this 10 of Swords, you are actually moving on from the bad situations in your life, because you are trying to understand that sometimes not just staying at the same place will never help you. You have to move on in life. Okay, so that is all from my side, Geminis. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.